Hello, it's Rob and I'm at the Baxi Training Centre here in Warrington. Today I'd like to talk to you about the latest updates to our current Multifit flue system. As of the 1st of September 2021, I'm pleased to confirm that all of our horizontal 6100 and 8125 flue systems, including bends and extensions, are now UV stable. Whilst this does mean that some of the white part of the outer flue duct can be visible outside, wherever possible, we would still encourage that the flue is fitted with none of the white part on show. I'm going to cover some of the points that you need to consider when fitting the flue. Now, as I've already mentioned, it is preferable that only the flue terminal protrudes from the wall. But if the circumstances of your installation dictate, it is permissible for the white part of the flue to be visible outside the property up to a maximum distance of 100 millimeters, providing that the flue is adequately supported and it conforms to the relevant sections of BS 5440 Part 1, the boiler installation manual and also the flue guide. If the flue is greater than 25 millimeters below a balcony, carport or similar projection, you are allowed up to a maximum distance of 500 millimeters, as shown here as dimension V. If the flue is fitted directly under a balcony or similar projection, the terminal end must protrude 100 millimeters beyond the structure, as shown here in dimension Y. The important thing to remember in an installation like this is the measurement between the top of the flue and the end of the balcony must be 25 millimeters, as shown here as dimension Z. Now, this can be achieved with the use of elbows, extensions or bends up to the maximum permissible flue lengths. If there are any flue joints external to the property, seal the joint with silicone sealant suitable for external use. Useful additions to our UV stable flue range include a 1.8 metre horizontal flue and a 2 metre flue extension. These are both suitable for high-rise dwellings. The 2 metre extension includes 2 support brackets to enable you to support the flue every metre. These joints are considered as manufactured joints, and as such they do not require inspection access. The latest updates to our Multifit flue range do not affect the use of the inflow outdoor sensor, which is a cost-effective way to help you comply with the Boiler Plus regulations. Simply pass the wire down the air duct of the flue and pull it through. Clip the sensor into place and wire it into connections 4 and 5 on the low voltage terminal strip. The latest inflow outdoor sensor kit includes the addition of a comfort accessory, allowing for hotter radiators when required. When using the comfort accessory, this should be wired in series, as shown here, now using terminals 4, 5 and 6 on the low voltage terminal strip. Thanks for watching, guys and girls. I hope you found that information useful. Until next time, take care.